Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So today is the title reads, we are going to be talking about PicAmaze, how you can install the app and use it in your store. So this is going to be a short tutorial. Let's dive into it. Once you enter your Shopify store, go to the apps, select customize your store, choose an account. It will lead you to the Shopify app store. You can search PicAmaze here. Now, as you can see, PicAmaze better product images. Click onto that. Now, select add app. Will take a few seconds. Now, you can select install app. It will take you to the welcome screen of the application. Here you will see all the advantages of using PicAmaze. Like you have 80% more engagement for Facebook ads, 100% more conversion for email campaigns, and 55% more engagement for tweets. You can also see how you can animate your product images in 3 easy steps. First, you can choose a product image or collection image. You can choose an overlay or text, and you can click the magical button and let us do the rest. You will also see some frequently asked questions here. You can check them out. Now coming to the product section, you will have all of your products here. You can choose them and animate your products. If you want to know how you can animate your product, you can check out the other videos where I have explained the process of adding animation to an image. Now coming to the billing section, you will have two options available here. First, you can buy animation from 1 up to 30 for $15, or you can subscribe for unlimited animations. And if you have a gift code, you can redeem it here. So guys, having said that, I am wishing you many new happy customers and higher profits. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment sections below, and we will try our best to help you with an answer. Thank you so much for watching.